Are you wondering how to choose your carbon credits to offset your carbon footprint and reach your net zero commitment? First of all, there are 5 mandatory prerequisites for a carbon credit to be valid in order to be sold on the voluntary carbon markets. Additionality, permanence, single counting, conservative estimation, non-association with social and environmental damages. Once these prerequisites are met, there are 5 main elements of differentiation for carbon credits. The nature of the projects. There are 3 groups: source reductions, nature-based solutions, and air capture by engineering. The location of the projects. Depending on the territory, standards, regulations, and local co-benefits vary. Contribution to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Project credibility. Tested through standardized calculation methods and verified by independent and rigorous certification programs such as VCS from Verra or Gold Standard. Returns on investment to initial project owners. This includes economic, social, and environmental benefits. At Will Solutions, we offer 5 differentiating value propositions that will help you achieve beyond just greenhouse gas (GHG) reductions and earn high-quality carbon credits. The nature of the projects. All projects are carried out by members of our sustainable communities, consisting of small emitters such as SMEs, NPOs, and municipalities. We bring together the GHG reduction projects of our members to democratize, facilitate, accelerate, and monetize their carbon commitment. Our members achieve GHG reductions at the source. Unlike sequestration projects, GHG reductions are immediate and guaranteed. Buying our carbon credits allows you to participate in 3 types of projects: energy efficiency and conversion of buildings, improvement of waste management, and decarbonization of transportation. The location of the projects. Firstly, we are one of the few organizations capable of managing large-scale projects in Canada that is registered with Verra. And secondly, by offsetting the emissions from your operations, you directly support local SMEs, NPOs, and participate in the circular, regional, and regenerative economy. Impacts on the Sustainable Development Goals. Each carbon credit purchase, you commit to 6 of the 17 SDGs. SDG 13, Climate Action. You are helping to reduce CO2 emissions from the Canadian economy while offsetting emissions from your operations. You make the green transition financially accessible for small economic players. You contribute to a paradigm shift to green technologies, but also to organizational and behavioral changes. You support an ecosystem of virtuous, committed stakeholders with exponential impact on the climate. SDG 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. Among other endeavors, you participate directly in industrial ecology and the creation of new responsible infrastructures. SDG 10, Reduced Inequalities. We redistribute 80% of sales revenues to members in a sharing economy, in cash and unbilled services. We reduce the risks for small economic players while providing them with additional and recurring income. We facilitate the climate actions of small organizations, even those that are geographically isolated. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Every carbon credit increases the sustainability and resilience of our regional communities in Canada, including through accessibility of climate commitment, reduced energy demand and energy independence, behavioral and technological changes, development of regional know-how. SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Through our carbon expertise, you support our members to consume responsibly, choose environmentally conscientious business partners and suppliers, and reposition in more efficient, low-carbon value chains. SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals. Our sustainable communities stimulate collective intelligence, partnerships, and business opportunities among committed stakeholders. You participate in a unifying model with a very high potential for the economy and the environment by purchasing our carbon credits. The project credibility. Our carbon credits are all derived from the VM0018 methodology, certified by Verra, an independent third party recognized for its reputation and accountability in the voluntary carbon markets. We are transparent about our calculation methods. We measure carbon footprint in line with the international standard, ISO 14064-1 2018. None of the 3 scopes is forgotten. Our company, Will Solutions, is B Corp and Solar Impulse certified, labels that reward companies for their ESG impacts, environment, social, and governance. Returns on investment to initial project owners. In addition to the financial benefits, we allow GHG-reducing members to optimize their operational efficiency, build a competitive advantage, anticipate regulations, and improve their brand image. They can reinvest in future GHG reduction projects, creating a virtuous circle of green innovation and recurring economic, social, and environmental benefits. Our company, Will Solutions, have helped reduce 6.4 million tons of GHG between 2010 and 2019 and generated 6.4 million carbon credits. In a nutshell, offsetting your incompressible emissions with Will Solutions means becoming a carbon-neutral leader while supporting a community-oriented, local, and regenerative project.